What is going on today, YouTube? Today I'm going to talk about trading versus investing, what the biggest differences are, and what you need to know. If you're new to my channel, I make investing videos teaching you things I wish I knew when I first started and what I am learning along the way. So if you like this kind of content, what I'm going to talk about from here on out, subscribe to my channel, leave a like on the video, and comment below if you have any questions. So let's get right into it. Trading versus investing. Trading. You were looking for short-time profits, real-time gains, probably looking to make a big sum of money quickly. You're not really caring about the value of a company. You're more looking at charts, and you are doing a lot of technical analysis rather than the value analysis. Now with investing, you're looking at the company's fundamentals, CEO, what they're all about, what they're doing. If they're looking to expand their company, they're looking to turn it to a more valuable company, and if it's going to be worth a lot more in the future than it is now. And when I say future, I'm meaning 10, 20 years down the road, not next week, next month, next year. You're looking long term, at least 10 years. You don't care about the day-to-day fluctuations of the stock price. You buy it, you're going to read the at least quarterly reports, yearly reports, and follow what the company you are investing in is planning on doing in the future. Now, for long-term investing, you can buy single stocks, you can buy mutual funds, you can buy index funds. Just, you're not going to trade it during the year. You're going to pretty much put your money in. Best thing to do is put your money in and don't look at it again. Just read the reports. Like Warren Buffett, doesn't even look at the price, he doesn't care. He wants to know what kind of value he is getting. So, I mean, you see all these lines, everything up there, that's more of a technical aspect. If we go and we look at these ETFs, all these lines I have drawn in here, that's technical. I'm not going to care if I'm value investing. Some of my value investments I do a lot of index investing. These ETFs up here that you can see on the side, that's for a lot of trading. I'm a technical trader and I am a value investor. But I really don't invest in companies right now because there's a lot of companies that are trading at way higher than what they are earning, and the stock market, as everyone knows it, is at very high levels. So I'm very cautious about what I'm investing in for the long term. So I am leaning more towards index funds right now, which is down here in my long-term watch list. I like Vanguard a lot. I like what they do. I like the people who manage it. It's a big reason why I'm in Vanguard. BND. Now, this is another long-term investment. We can even look at this, instead of this 108, we'll look at Max. Max is ever since BND came along, this is its historical chart in mid-2006. But this is a bond. So bonds really aren't going to fluctuate in value that much. It's going to be more of a steady, hopefully, incline. But I'm not too into bonds. I don't really care about them. I'm more into stock indexes. So, for instance, another long-term investment I am really looking at right now is Facebook. I like Zuckerberg, I like Facebook, I like the company, I like what it does. And over time, it has continually gone up. Yes, it is having a big hiccup right now and a lot of speculative things about the company, them sharing data that they weren't supposed to be allowed to, that so forth, the people hacking into their system and gaining our information. You can look that all up on your own, not really going over it in this video. The reason I'm watching Facebook now, though, for a long-term investment, it is way off of its highs. So this is a stock I am looking to invest in the long term. I have not bought it yet, but I'm looking at it. We're going to look at other long-term investments. One I currently own. It's Vanguard Total Index Stock Market ETF. This is something I plan on holding for a very long time. It's a low-cost index fund that replicates the S&P 500. As you can see, since 2008, when the market crashed, it has gone up a significant amount, about 260%. I started buying this in 2015, and it has gone up, but it's a long-term investment, so I really don't care about the day-to-day fluctuations. I look to hold it for a very long time. Now that's investing. So see, like I don't care. I don't care what it does. I look to hold it for a long time. If it falls more and more and more, I'll probably buy more and more. Not buy more and more, but I have a set amount I want to put in every month, and I'm going to hold it until I'm ready to retire. Now, for an individual stock, like the same thing. I'm still looking into Facebook. I haven't made up my mind yet, but I think this is a good time to buy for a long-term investment. And this is just my opinion. It's not trying to persuade you guys whether or not to buy. It's something I'm looking at. I have not set my mind to it yet, but it might be something I add to my long-term investment because I see value in the big dip it has lately. It should not persuade you to buy what I talk about. VEU. This is another index fund, but it's pretty much a world index fund with small stocks, microcap stocks, excluding the US. So it's an international. I do invest in international stocks along with US stocks. It's another way I can diversify if anything ever happens. But as you can see, this has really been falling down. I have lost money on it, but again, I'm looking to hold it for the long term. So really, I didn't lose money because I didn't take it out yet. You only lose money when you take it out. But long term, I'm looking to hold it. Eventually, hopefully, it goes up. So now we're gonna look and talk about trading a little bit. Trading, you're looking at charts like this. You're trying to figure out, is stock gonna go up? If I buy it down here, is it gonna go up when I'm ready to sell it? I'm not looking to hold it for months on months or days on days. Maybe I'm trying to buy and sell in the same day, buy and sell in the same week, buy and sell in the same month. I don't care what it does long term. That's what trading is. Now with trading, you're really not caring about what the company's doing or anything about that. All you're caring about is, okay, I'm gonna look at the stock price right now. I'm gonna think, it's down here, it's near its lows. I'm gonna buy it, and it's gonna go up. It's all you care about. You go through technical analysis, you draw lines all over the place, and you don't care about the value of the company, value of anything. Like Facebook. If you're a trader, you're not really caring about the value of this company. You're just seeing, okay, this stock is way off its highs right now, so I'm going to wait until it's showing me an uptrend, and then I'm going to trade it. I don't care who the CEO is. I don't care how much money they have. I don't care anything. Don't care anything about them. They see this big fall. That kind of excites them because this stock fell 20% in a day, 2 days, whatever. I don't know the exact time. I can look into it, but it doesn't really matter. Fell 20% that short period of time. So they're hoping to jump in as soon as it shows an uptrend again and make a 10% gain really quick. That's what a trader is. You don't care anything about the company, anything about their worth. You even look at like ETFs. ETFs are exchange traded funds. Okay, it's making a dip, it's on an uptrend. I'm going to get in when it crosses this line, and I'm going to trade back out when I feel. That's what a trader is. Don't care. It's all technical analysis. Like, we'll go here. This looks like the easiest pattern I can identify. Okay, there's the top of it. There's the bottom of it. It's trending between those two lines over a period of 36 days. So if you catch that pattern when it gets here, you're going to wait. It's going to bounce off this bottom line again, technically, because that's its support level. And you're going to try to jump in when it's on the uptrend. And you're looking to make anywhere from 0 to 11%. And your risk is around 2% to make 12%. Now, there's no, like you can see, if we zoom in, when it bounced this time, it did not go the whole way back up to around $70. It only went up to $67. You don't know that. All you're calculating, okay, what's my risk, what's my reward, and can I make a quick profit? That's all you're doing if you're a trader. You don't care about the company. You don't care about anything about them. So those are the big differences between an investor and trader. Just remember, investing long-term, looking at companies' fundamentals, who their CEO is, what they can do if they're improving their company. Trader, all technical analysis. Is this stock going to stop here and start trending up or start trending down here? I can either short it or I can either buy it. So if you like the video, it helped you out, leave a like on the video, subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this, and comment below if you got any questions. Anything I can help you out with, or any questions you have about these differences. Or even if you have a recommendation on a future video to make. Something you want to know. And I will see you next time.